Okay, so your Lexus, if you have a Lexus RX or any other Lexus from 2006 and up, this is basically any car, but we're looking at a 15 model here. And as you can tell, this one's been in an accident. The front collision. You can tell the differential here. That this has been runs good. Everything's smooth on this car. But one thing I want to show you is this. All right, this is a 4-year-old car, and look at the battery. Okay, as you can see, the battery needs some cleaning. Look at that. That's not healthy for any vehicle, especially a Lexus. Okay. So what we're gonna do is this is what you can do. It's real simple. It does need a new battery, I could tell. It needs a new battery, definitely. But you can take these off and just clean them. All you gotta do is get a nice cleaning going and you're good. Simple. Here you go. Help you. Let's see what this looks like. Whoops. Oh, this isn't too bad. Recently replaced. So, that's okay. I'm gonna put that back in there. And pop that closed. But the battery definitely needs some work here. Okay.